Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Venice AI. Alright, let's begin. First, go to venice.ai and click on Sign Up. You can create an account or sign in quickly using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see two main options: private chat and AI generation. Let's start with AI generation. In the text box, type any creative prompt, such as a woman walking on a beach at sunset. Venice AI will generate a photorealistic image in seconds with impressive quality. Next, try the private chat feature. You can ask any question like, "What do you think about time travel?" Venice AI will respond intelligently within a secure and private environment. The platform's clean design makes it easy to experiment with different prompts, explore ideas, or even build mini AI workflows, all without any coding knowledge. So that's basically how you can use Venice AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.